Let's consider a class hierarchy of WPF framework. We're not going to delve into all classes that you see here. The very core types such as dispatcher object, dependency object, we will discuss later in this course. Now I want to address the other classes. Every element that has visual representation is derived from the visual class. This class provides rendering support in WPF, which includes heat testing, coordinate transformation, and bounding box calculations. Also some drawing-related information like clipping and opacity. It also has some basic methods to add and remove visual elements. And it also works as a bridge between managed libraries and MIL-core DLL. UI element adds support for layout, focus, input, event, and command bindings. UI element introduces layout processing stages, measure, and arrange stages. You'll get deeper into the layout topic in the corresponding module in this course. Framework element extends layout features of UI element and adds support for features like data binding, animation, and styles. It also supports key properties like horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and margin. Content presenter is a placeholder for the arbitrary content which can be placed in the content controls, such as buttons. You'll see what does it mean very soon. Control and shape are the base classes which distinguish the concepts of controls and primitive elements. Control is a base class for almost all controls available in WPF, such as button, status bar, combo box, label, and so on. At this level, many control level properties introduced like background, foreground, and font-related properties like font size, font style, and font weight. What is conceptually different between controls and primitive elements is that controls do not have appearance. They don't know how to render themselves. Controls provide behavior expressed by their API. For example, buttons are clickable. This is their behavior. The appearance of controls has to be defined by templates, which is another big topic we will discuss later. Generally speaking, among other abilities, templates use primitive elements in order to construct the forms or shapes of controls. In other words, there's look. Panels are all about the layout of controls, composing them together. Panels will be discussed in the layout module in this course. Okay, let's look at buttons.